Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 104th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Code for web page using internal CSS. An internal style sheet holds CSS rules for the page in the head section of HTML file. We'll start with HTML head style type equals to text slash css h1 tag. You can select any color you want. Now we'll end style tag head tag. Now we'll use body tag h1. Now we'll end h1 tag h2 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag body tag and html tag. Now we'll just save it with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. 104th program. So this is the basic output of how to use internal CSS tag, and don't forget to check the tags in description